Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for returning for another week of school lunches. This is week 5 and I must tell you guys, this Monday was a very big challenge because I keep telling myself that I'm going to plan for these meals, but things get in the way, and then here I am on Monday and I'm like, what are these kids taking for lunch? So this is what I have threw together for their Monday's lunch. So Demarion's going to have these apple crisp oatmeal, well not oatmeal, they're apple crisp rice cakes. And then I did him a Paw Patrol paw sandwich with brown sugar ham, provolone cheese with mayonnaise. And then he'll have these Doritos and then his raisins, and then I did a melody of fruit, which is just strawberries, grapes, and blueberries, and then his yogurt, and then he'll have his flavored water. Okay, Damara is going to have a bagel sandwich with the brown sugar ham and her vegan mayo with provolone cheese, and then she'll have excuse me guys, it's so early in the morning. She's going to have her Doritos and then her orange with also a flavored water as well. So that is what they'll be having for today, you guys, and we will see you guys later. Okay guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday, and today Demarion will have his graham cracker Annie bunnies, and then some pretzels and some grapes. And then this is something new that I saw on Pinterest. It's a taco peanut butter and jelly sandwich with strawberries and blueberries. So I'm gonna just see if he likes this. I mean, he likes everything that's in there. I don't know if he'll just eat it all together. And then he has his yogurt, and then his apple juice Capri Sun. So that is what he'll be having for today. And Damara's just gonna have a Capri Sun, an orange, and she said she just wanted the lunch meat, so I put that in a container. And then she'll have some strawberries and blueberries as well. And she will also have I'll put her some pretzels in here as well. So that is what they're having, and we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so we're back for the day, and as you can see, Demarion ate everything. Well, he still has some of these left and some pretzels, but I was surprised that he ate that taco PB&J sandwich, but he really liked it, so that was good. And I don't have Damara's containers here, but she ate everything as well, and we will see you guys on Wednesday. Good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday, and today Demarion is going to be having some, for his little snack, he'll have Chip Ahoy's cookies. I gave him some cucumbers with ranch dip. He'll have some pizza bagel bites, some strawberry and grapes, and his yogurt, Danimals, and this Capri Sun and apple juice. Okay, and Damara will have candy apples, and she'll have Oreos. And I put together this ham, cheese, and cucumber shish kebab because I told y'all she's going to be eating the heck out of ham and her vegan mayonnaise. But that is what they're having for Wednesday. And also she will have a apple juice as well. But that's what they'll have for Wednesday, and we will see you guys later. Okay guys, as you see, today Demarion did eat basically, well, he ate pretty good. He ate more cucumbers than I thought he would, and he only had like one pizza bagel bite left. And yeah, he did good. And Damara keeps leaving her lunch box at school, but she says she ate her food, so we'll just take her word for it. See you guys on Thursday. Okay guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday, and today Damara is going to be having her fruit with strawberries and blueberries and these apple rice crispy, what are these? These are apple rice cakes, and yeah, in the apple cinnamon flavor. And then she'll have an almond bar, of course her water, and then I have water in her thermos for these noodles with some teriyaki sauce in there, sweet teriyaki sauce. Okay, and Damarion will have also the apple rice cakes, yogurt, strawberries and grapes. He'll have a pecan, I think it's like a pecan cinnamon little roll. He'll have some raisins, and he'll also have the teriyaki noodles with his juice. So we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, today is Friday, and today Damarion is going to be eating his white cheddar Cheez-Its. He'll have some grapes, and then I did a ham and cheese roll up with mayonnaise, and then he has his yogurt. And then I have these cookies that I got from Trader Joe's. They're like just letters and numbers. So they're sort of like a, I guess they taste like a graham cracker cinnamon. Okay, he's gonna have one of these for lunch to drink. I just want to make sure he gets his fiber, so I like to pick these up because it helps him stay going regular to the bathroom. TMI, I know, but these are a good way to get fiber in. So that is what he'll have for lunch today. Tomorrow's gonna have these thin mid bites Oreo fudge dips. I'm glad I'm running out of these because I went to Sam's and stocked up on some stuff, so we had plenty of snacks for over a month, it seemed like. And then she'll take also the ham roll-ups, and then she'll have this emerald. It's got walnuts, almonds, and cherries in there. And then she'll have some grapes in her water. So that is what they'll have for lunch, and we will see you guys later. Okay guys, as you can see, Damarion ate his ham cheese roll up, and he really didn't touch these white cheddar cheese crackers, but he did eat everything else, and he did drink his drink that I gave him for today, and Damara also ate all of hers as well. And we will see you guys next week.